recording it.
Pineapple! Pineapple! Pineapple!
I can't see this. Let's turn the light up.
Pineapple!
Can't get up.
Oh my god, it's so stupid. So sleepover.
What are you talking about?
He's trying to carry her. I'll show you the video, trust me. It's fucking hilarious.
I'm so tired. Pineapple power.
Pick her up.
Pineapple power. Pineapple power. Get the power. Pineapple.
She's on the floor. And you know how we have the pineapples on the bed? Yeah, well he's hitting her with that.